Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you're seeing, hit that like button. Today's truck is a 2018 Ford E-350 Super Duty. This truck is a 176-inch wheelbase. It had one owner. And we'll start with the wheels and tires here. We've repainted the wheels. Nice tires. We've also repainted that box right here. This truck has been thoroughly inspected and serviced. These rear wheels and tires. Get that one back there for you. There it is. Checking out the box here. This truck also does have a ramp. This truck is at 105,885 miles. Box is in pretty darn good condition. Okay, checking out the passenger side. The wheels and tires. Those back ones. Okay. Checking out the interior. This truck is very clean, no rips or tears on these seats here. And as you're seeing from this video, this truck has been detailed inside, outside, and under that hood. Let's hop in here. All right, let's start her up. Okay, here's that 105,885 miles. Let's check out the engine. Alrighty, this truck is equipped with a Titron 6.8 liter V10 gasoline engine. A lot of power right here. It also does have a 6-speed automatic shiftable transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed. And that's your one owner 2018 Ford E-350 Super Duty. If you'd like to find out more information about this truck, the link to our website will be in the description, as well as the phone number. Again, if you liked what you saw today, hit that like button. Want to stay updated on our active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.